Hey, what's going on? My name is Amir and welcome back to Street Production 303. And for many of you that have been following my channel for a very long time, you know I keep you guys in the loop as far as projects, mods and things that I plan on doing, maybe cars that I'm buying. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about my garage update. And first, right away, most of you guys are gonna think, oh wow, he's probably selling the Corvette, maybe he's selling the Charger, he's buying a new car, something along those lines. But that is not what I'm talking about in today's video. What I mean by garage update is I need to redo my garage. The cars are staying, but my garage is a mess. I've painted in there, I've done so much body work in there, I've destroyed that garage, literally. My wife hates it, especially when I work on certain cars that you guys haven't seen on the channel, cars that I've bought and sold, like daily drivers. All the fumes that are going into the house. My walls are destroyed, there's insulation coming out. I gotta redo all that. I feel like cars like the Corvette and the Charger, the cars that I own and me and my wife that we own, parked in a garage that looks like shit, it just doesn't go. It doesn't look good for YouTube videos. It's not functional. And I'm done with all that crazy, painting, doing all that body work. I want to remodel that garage, redo the floors, redo the walls, do the lighting, redo the shelves. I don't know what kind of design I'm gonna go with yet. I know I'm gonna do the floors. I don't know if it's gonna be epoxy or those pop-in checkered, racing type of floors. The walls are gonna be painted. I'm gonna drywall everything in. I'm gonna redo all the lighting. I'm gonna do a bunch of lights in there. I'm gonna probably put in little can lights, 3-inch, maybe 6-inch can lights. I wanna make it look like, even though it's a 2-car garage, when these cars roll in there, I wanna make it look like they belong in there. And right now it just looks like trash. I mean, it's functional. Yeah, I got all my tools in there and things, but I wanted to be a garage, like almost like a high-end garage. And my goal is to work on a budget. I'm gonna do all the work myself. I do everything myself as it is. I even went on Craigslist and I'm in the process of looking and finding used kitchen cabinet, paint them in a certain color that will match the whole concept and the whole theme. But again, working on a budget because I don't want to blow $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000 remodeling the garage. I don't want to do that. That's stupid. It doesn't really change it doesn't actually change the value of my house. As far as videos go, once I paint the walls in a bright color, when I shoot videos in there, it's gonna look so much better for you guys too, because every time I'm shooting videos in there, I got the camera, the background looks like shit. And if it's your first time stopping, by the channel, if you guys never seen any of my videos, browse the channel, check it out. There's a lot of content on there. It's not just the Corvette on the channel, but there's a bunch of stuff on there. Feel free to browse the channel. And if you guys do like some of the videos and, find it entertaining, consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.